Taurus. I will reveal your energy or your loved one energy, Taurus. I'm Jessica. Welcome to the channel. What is the message here for Taurus today, Tarot? Page of Pentacles. Can you see this guy here, Taurus? He has a coin on his hand. And he's just like wondering, what am I going to do with this? When we have Page of Coins, the Page of Coins, he is somebody who invests. He's always wondering, where is the best place? Where is the best ground to plant this seed? He has a seed. He has a coin. He has a potential. It's a person who has a lot of potential. Page of Coins, he has a lot of potential. He just needs the perfect ground to plant this seed. And you see, he is stuck because there are paths, ways, and he doesn't know right, left, where should I go? Can you see there is a tower there? Tower sometimes talks about being isolated, being by myself, getting some time to think, getting away from people. This guy, this person might be you, might be somebody who you love, you are connected to. They have to choose a path. They have to choose. And they don't know. I feel they have a lot of potential, but something inside of them keeps telling them, no, stay there, stay quiet, get away from people. Maybe people are, you cannot trust people. Or get away from people, stay alone, don't try this. People will not approve you. People will not approve what you're going to show, what you're going to give them. Just stay there. So, you know, I feel this person is tempted to not do it. Like, don't do it. Wait. They are tempted to be in isolation. But I feel something inside of them, a fire, an energy. There is also something inside of them, a desire. You know, we always have desire, and desire burns for something we don't have, right? Oh, I'm hungry. I desire something to eat. I don't have. As soon as I am not hungry anymore, I don't want that food anymore. So I don't have desire because I have that, right? So I think this person is used to isolate them. At least at this moment of their lives, they are trying to isolate them from love, from people, or from possibilities in life. But I think this person, when they see their situation, they think, okay, but I want more. I have a plan. I have ideas. There is a fire. There is an energy. The fire who moves you, the passion, the desire, the fire which moves you, the fire which makes you desire, because fire is energy, fire is gasoline, right? So when you have fire, you move. When I have a passion, the desire, I move to go to the supermarket to eat the food, to buy the food, for example, right? So this is what I feel. And this is amazing because this fire probably will move this person. Otherwise, this person is going to spend all their lives thinking about what it could be, how it could be, who they would be, but just like afraid, in fear. Okay, what is the situation for Taurus here? The Star. Amazing. Because the Star talks about higher being, higher self, higher connection, faith. believe, hope. I think this person has lost a little of hope. They might have tried sometimes to invest on people or situations, and they might have got disappointed. But I think their higher self is calling them to live, to move, to try one more time, because star is hope. It's trust, it's belief, it's faith. But when we talk about this kind of trust, it's not something that you can take, physically talking. I cannot grab this, like I cannot grab, right? I cannot take. I can grab this mug, I can take this, but faith is something that I cannot, it's not physical. That's why it's faith, because I have to believe, even though it's not happening yet. This is faith. It's when I believe and I trust so much in what I feel and what was promised to me and my capacity, my abilities, that I trust and I believe on something that is not here, but it's not here yet. I have to trust, I have to believe as it is. Like, my new mug, delicious. Oh, this coffee is amazing. Do you want a coffee? Right? Would you like a coffee? So I will trust, I will believe the mug is already here. And when I see the mug is here, like, this is faith. Some people, they need to see to believe. But faith is, you need to believe to see. Okay, what is the message for Taurus here today? 4 of Cups. There is a problem here. Rejection. This person is afraid of rejection. They are afraid that if they give their feelings, emotions, love, time, whatever they understand is valuable, because Page of Coins, they have something which is valuable. Wherever they think it's valuable, they try to invest, they try to give to someone, but this person rejected. See, there is a boy here, a little boy, and there is a man. The boy is trying to bring his cup. So we're talking about heart, emotions, feelings, love. And the father, or the person, the adult here, was like, oh my God, just like not really paying attention, not really not really, he doesn't really care, because he was worried about other things. 3 of Cups, other people, other situation. He's worried about things that he has lost, opportunities he has missed. Something happened in this person's life. They tried to give their heart, they tried to give their best here. But while they were doing this, people were not even paying attention. So this person felt rejected. This person felt every time they tried to really show themselves, show their emotions, or give something, maybe people didn't care. For some people, we can talk about something that is deeper. A wound. This person can be rejected by a father, by a mother, by somebody who he or she really loved. Maybe this person didn't have the love of their father. They were little boys or little girls, and they wanted their parents to look at them, perceive they were there. Like, just pay a little attention on me, I exist. So the person here who we are talking about is a person that rejects themselves. Every time they have a plan, every time they have an idea, every time they think something it's for them, like it's promised, or I think it's this, but I'm not sure. it's something that if you invest, you will be able to have a lot of fortune from this. Every time when they have this chance, if it's in a relationship, if it's in a job, in a career, or on themselves, they convince themselves it's better not try, stay here, get away from people will reject you, you will not be able to do it. But maybe it's because of somebody here, maybe he felt like this because of a parent, a father, a mother, or somebody told him like, you are not good enough, your love is not good enough, your feelings are not good enough, or your feelings are not important, what you want is not important. Now I think when I look at this card here, I think maybe somebody in their family, not that this person was bad, but maybe this person, a father or a mother, was so worried about, I don't know, job, working, money, making money. Like feelings are not important. What is important is like, we need to feed the kids, we need to give food, we need to work. Maybe it's a person who was really busy. Rejection here can be like, I loved that person, but that person didn't have time for me. I felt rejected because I was not important. But it's not that this person was not important. It's like maybe for a parent, for somebody, the most important was like the food, the work, the house, the children are okay, they are in school, but the wound is here. So when this person is now adult, they want to accomplish their goals. Every time they plan something, every time they see something that's good for them, a person, relationship, they try to reject themselves, to reject their opportunities. Here, this person is worried about offering something. Maybe they want to offer their love. Maybe they want to offer their feelings for somebody. They want to invest in a relationship, in a situation, or invest on someone. I said that, and we have here Page of Cups. Exactly. Page of Cups is somebody who express love. He's an artist. He wants to express his feelings. He wants to talk about his feelings. But this person doesn't want to be rejected. They don't want this feeling of not being enough. Okay, what else here for? The Hanged Man. So this person doesn't move, look. Can you see that there is a key here on their hand? On the Hanged Man hand? He has the key. But this person is sleeping. This person has the capacity, the ability to open this lock, to open this open what is blocking them. But they need to do something inside. They need to find the answer inside. The Hanged Man, it's an illumination. It's an epiphany. It's when something that you are not understanding, or you are having an idea about this that is totally wrong, totally the opposite. You just can perceive the things on this way. So this person, their perception is, I am not good, I am broken, I have a problem. If my father, my mother, if that person, that boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, whatever, rejected me, I am the problem, I am broken. This is the person perception, because the Hanged Man is somebody who sees the world from a totally upside down perception. He's not seeing it, the situation as it really is. Their perception is, I'm a broken man, I'm a broken woman. I look at the other people and they have everything and I want to have that, but I can't. Every time I want to make my plans come true, I give up because I think, no, this is not for me. Maybe for those people, but not for me, because I'm broken. Since I was a child, everybody rejected me, so the problem might be me. I am the problem. So I'm not go. I will not go. I can't deal with another rejection. But this person is not understanding that they are rejecting themselves. The universe always gives us, people always give us what we give us. So if the person is feeling rejected, is because they reject themselves. The moment this person trusts and believes on themselves, no matter what other people will do, they will never feel rejected because they don't reject themselves. So if people reject them, they will say, okay, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex, right? Reject me, thank you, next. So the thing here is like this person needs to understand this, sees it through a different perception. Understand that this person is not chained, they are not locked. They have the key to open this, and the key is trusting on themselves, believing on themselves. Remember the mug, believing on themselves even though other people don't, even though they don't even trust on themselves, because they have faith. Because they have faith. So this person needs to change their perception about themselves. Okay, what else here for Taurus? The Magician. The Magician. An Ace of Pentacles. Taurus, if you are this person, you might have been rejected by somebody, maybe your ex-boyfriend, I don't know, ex-girlfriend. See, they were not rejecting you. It's not about you. Maybe they were also rejecting themselves. Maybe they looked at you and they saw you as something that they couldn't. Maybe they felt the same as you. Maybe you were rejected by your parents, but you didn't perceive that it was not you the problem. It was their problem, their incapacity to love, their incapacity to, I don't know, make more money, to have more free time to be with you. It's not about you. It's not about your being. Because you have the Magician. You have everything you need to make your dreams come true. The Magician, they have all the tools on the table. They have their intuition, their heart, their mind, their feelings, their power, their spirit, their soul. They have their actions. They have their responsibility, agreement, engagement with themselves and with what they want. And then we have Ace of Pentacles, the opportunity, the capacity. This person has everything to make it happen. The opportunity is in their hands. They just need to trust this. If this message is for you, Taurus, what do you really want? What plans do you have? You want to change your career? You think your life, your professional life is horrible, it's a shit. The money you have in your account is not enough. The relationship you are, like, fuck this bitch or this guy, I don't care, they are horrible. I don't know, whatever you want to change here in your life, you have what you need. You just have to trust that you were not rejected. Okay? You have to trust that there's nothing to do with you, with your capacity, abilities to transform, to make your life. The Magician creates any reality. He just needs to be in contact and aligned with his power, with his tools, which means his inside and inner universe, and with faith. Okay, that's the message for you today, Taurus. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, give your comment if you like, and come here next week for another message, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.